man.
You're a man.
I have authority,
You have authority.
and audacity
And
to cheat. So I can cheat anytime, anywhere I want.
Some of them any power. Me near kono because me feelings. Me catch you, my brownie casa. Any me patch or yens nothing near making a mess. No, me what cheated do, me cheated.
Eh, me cheated.
Yes. I will cry back or so cheat.
Okay.
Let me am quiet.
Okay, right now, me didn't tell me probably cheating. My job, me go your way. Go your way.
Andrew, sir.
No.
Oh, corner could cheat. I want to spend all outside.
I don't love you anymore.
Me call you. When you scam me the buy.
Scabby, I'm checking. Miss me, what I'm problem.
$50,000. Me call you and man cheat is our
Ama.
Now, so wow.
Ama.
Yes, dear.
Come again.
$50,000 or
$50,000.
now it's my packaging. You guys are me the quack jib a year.
Ama, are you sure of what you are saying?
Very sure.
So, do you have $50,000?
Sure.
Hey! Ama! Give me that back. Ama, give that back to me. Ama!
Oh.
Give that back. Hey!
Oh,
No. Ama, give that back to me. I was trying to, I'm protecting you. Ama, so, hey! Just a night and $50,000.
Oh, quite dear now, Diva.
Ama, do you know something? I want better life for you. That's why. Don't take me serious. I can never leave you. Ama, you are my baby. I love you. Ama, do you know something? Auntie, the Ben was a break.
I'll see next week because
No! Next week is too long. Ama, you have to go and bath and move to that place right now.
How? Me make shit up watching me sound corner me banana me bag is here.
Ama.
You know what? I've put a stop to everything.
No. Listen to me. No, Ama, listen to me. This is not cheating. It's a business. It's a fine time business. It's a good business. Which can and I mean this business will help our life. So do you know something, Ama? In my heart I support you. From now going, I support you in anything you are doing.
You support me.
I support you in everything you are doing. Ama, you can go just
so
a night.
Can you promise me, say, no matter what happens,
Sure.
you never leave me?
Ama, I still love you. I love you. You are my baby. I can never leave you, Let's go inside and pamper you and give you something sweet. And so promise me that tomorrow you go back to him again.
Tomorrow I'll go you.
And if
call
you
him.
Yes, and this time around, try to spend 1 month. Because just a night, he gave you $50,000. So 1 month, we need $500,000. Our life is going to change.
Now me call 1 month say who swear.
Don't care about me. Me? Don't worry. I'm fine. I'm okay. As far as you will bring money, I'm okay.
You're my husband.
I can use soap. Let's go. Medical soap.
You can use soap. Just a minute, stop there. Can you soap?
We say, we don't know what to cry that.
They say now we're pissing off.
I am pressure. Go inside. You see what money can do? Money is power of everything. Massa, don't stay there and talk bullshit. If you don't have money, go and look for some anything. I swear, ensure one why you cool. If you don't have money, you cool. Money is talking.